Content fatigue is real. Audiences crave fresh, engaging material. AI tools streamline content creation, saving you valuable time. Jasper excels at generating creative and compelling content in various formats, like blog posts, social media captions, and marketing copy. Its ability to adapt to your brand voice and tone makes it a versatile tool for diverse content needs. Learn how to use Jasper's templates and features to create content that converts. Leverage AI to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Copy.ai is a powerful tool for creating persuasive and engaging marketing and sales copy. It offers a range of templates tailored for different purposes, from website copy to ad campaigns. Explore Copy.ai's features like tone adjustment and keyword optimization to create high-converting copy. Anyword is a data-driven platform that uses AI to predict which content will resonate with your audience. Its performance prediction engine helps you optimize headlines, ad copy, and even social media posts for maximum engagement. Dive into the world of A/B testing and content optimization with Anyword's insights. Bard is a revolutionary conversational AI that excels at generating summaries, translating languages, and writing creative content. Use Bard for quick brainstorming sessions, research, and generating unique content ideas. Explore its integration with other Google tools for a seamless content creation workflow. DALL-E 2 is an AI image generator that allows you to create stunning visuals from simple text descriptions. Elevate your content with eye-catching images, illustrations, and graphics generated by DALL-E 2. Discover the possibilities of AI-powered visuals in storytelling, branding, and content marketing. AI tools aren't replacing human creativity but augmenting it. Embrace the power of AI to enhance your content creation process. Stay ahead of the curve and explore the constantly evolving world of AI content creation.